In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the fuse block connector on your Nissan Altima, located in the engine bay. Remove the negative battery cable using a 10mm wrench. Put that to the side. Remove the 10mm bolt off of the ECM bracket on the battery tie down. Remove the two holding bracket nuts. Remove the battery tie down. Remove the two 12mm nuts on top of the fuse block connector. Remove the battery. If you're reusing the battery, leave the positive terminal on the battery. If you're using a new one, swap it over to the new one. Remove the cable off of the fuse block connector. Remove the connectors, push in on the tab, and pull, and remove your fuse block connector. Install the connectors into the fuse block connector. Push in until you hear a click. Install the cable back on. You can put a nut hand tight on it for now. We'll snug it down later. Install your battery. Install the fuse block connector onto the positive terminal. Install a nut. Using a power tool, I'm going to tighten down both of these 12mm nuts. Install the battery tie down. Leave these loose until you put the bolt in for the battery tie down to ECM bracket. Tighten down the holding bracket. And the 10mm bolt on the ECM connector. I wrapped my negative cable in a rubber glove just to avoid it touching any metal and making sparks. Reinstall your negative cable. And double check that the positive cable is tight. If your battery terminal connector had a plastic piece, go ahead and reinstall that now. There's usually another half here. Ours is broken.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.